That has made, this suggestion has made Uzor Kalu a prodigal son, an illegal son of his family. The Holy Igbos are looking towards creation by United Nations, a United State of Biafra. That is what we are working towards. An illegal son from Igbere has come out to tell the whole world that is when Anioma state is created within the Nigerian contraption that is not working, that is when Igbo man will feel less marginalized. He is an agent of Fulani Janjaweeds. In fact, Uzor Kalu is from North, if you ask me paternally. If you trace his paternity, he's a Fulani man.
He grew up in the North.
He grew up in the North. The spermatozoa, I doubt it is not of Igbo spermatozoa. I'm telling you the truth, because what Igbo man is planning now is how to get Biafra. We are working hard to make sure that either nature, that's God Almighty, give us Biafra, United Nations, United States, Western world could actually come here and conduct referendum peacefully. That is what we are planning. And somebody from Igbere, Efulefu, someone that has already lost it all, someone that is very, very hard to believe if he is the actual product of his paternity, is telling us that it is only when we create Anioma that Igbo man will rest in this country. He is one of the beneficiaries of this illegal political system Nigeria has been for how many years now? 59 years. A beneficiary of Fulani Janjaweed, a beneficiary of regime of Yoruba and Fulani is Uzor Kalu. Some people think that when Igbo politicians do something wrong, Igbo man will not say it. No, we are not Yoruba. Yoruba politicians, they can do anything. Yoruba man will do, he's an elder. We must respect an elder. That's why all those elders, they are doing evil. You can't do it in Igbo land. Actually, I know Uzor Kalu is my uncle, but he's not getting it right. How could my uncle stay, distance himself from Nnamdi Kanu? Nnamdi Kanu is dying in a prison. A man, our brother, Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, is fighting for my own nationality to come into reality. How could I stand afar and watch Nnamdi Kanu die for nothing's sake? So that's why I'm still crucifying every politician from Igbo land that is not working hard for Nnamdi Kanu to come out. That politician is a fulefu. I don't care your age. I don't care your home. I don't know your color. I don't want to know your level in life. All I know is that you are not working hard for Kanu to come out from dungeon. You are a fulefu. You are an Igbo prodigal son. You are a product from outside Igbo land. Your paternity is not within our contraption. You come from a different angle of paternity entirely. Every Igbo man, both simple and difficult, both popular and infamous, should be working hard now to make sure Nnamdi Kanu enjoys freedom. It is not when you are looking towards what your Fulani master told you. It is not when you are listening to the Yoruba that actually has set their brothers free, laughing at you, saying you are the problem, while your brother is in. While the Yoruba is the problem, my brother is in. They are deceiving me, tell me, I should work hard. I'm the one that is holding Nnamdi Kanu there. No. See, this man that made this statement is an errand boy to the Yorubas, errand boy to the Fulani Janjaweeds. Uzor Kalu can never get it right because he has not been respected in Igbo land. Why? Because of his double standard. He's a man whose leg is in Igbo land. He's a man whose leg is also in Fulani land. A man that sets his foot on Christianity, carries his foot put again in Islam. Double standard, double man. Mmairu Abua, two faces, two-edged sword. He is with turban and the emirs, whatever. He is now with Bishop Ukochukwu, with whatever title or position they have given to him in the church. So it's two double-edged sword. Mmairu Nabo, two faces, double standard man. Now the Kanu must come out. What is supposed to be given to the Igbos is Biafra. What is supposed to be given to the Igbos currently is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What is supposed to at least makes the Igbos happy, marrying, dancing, currently is Nnamdi Kanu giving it to them. Bring Nnamdi Kanu out of prison, my friend. You are suggesting Aniocha Abia Anioma. What kind of suggestion is that?
He's looking as if he said Tinubu must come in 2027. I don't think he's even looking towards Biafra actualization.
All their plan is that Tinubu will come 2027 because they are eating too much money. These are people that are stealing in trillions, billions, going to Europe as they like, as if Europe is their father's backyard. These are people that are making money in millions of dollars. How do you think they will not be working towards actualizing Tinubu's ambition comes 2027? These are people that have filled up their pockets already. These are people that at least enjoy free light. They don't pay for light. They don't pay for water. They don't pay for transportation. What do you want again? Fueling of their tanks free. They will tell you they are federal government picking. Okay, let me tell you. All the lawmakers in Nigeria, they have passion to collect. They have gratuity and benefit to collect. For doing what? For working in the National House of Assembly as lawmakers. They enjoy it until they die. They have many benefits. That's why Nigeria is going down. Instead of using the money they are giving the pensioners, the people that worked before as governor, the people that worked before, ruled Nigeria before, instead of using the money to develop Nigeria, they are giving them money again. They stole money in the past. They are giving them money again. I know that you thought that Tinubu is not receiving any benefit before assuming office as Nigerian president. My brother, your experience and knowledge is what? Is on the line. Do you know that Tinubu enjoyed the benefit of being Lagos State governor for how many years? 8 years. They are paying Tinubu many benefits. And you that is a Nigerian struggling and hustling, paying all these taxes, you have never benefited anything from Nigeria. Those ones that benefited as governors and presidents, they have been benefiting today as you and I. Every January, they refurbish their houses, they refurbish their accounts, they refurbish their houses, they refurbish all the benefit they have given to them in the past. What kind of country is that? This country is the most bewitched country in the world. Nigeria is a bewitched country. Nigeria was founded under the structure, foundation of witchcraft by Lord Lugard and his wife, Florence, at Lokoja in Kogi State, where they actually structured the country under the powers of darkness. And it was witches and wizards that were present that day. That's why Nigeria is not moving forward anywhere. Go and do your case studies. An American man would rather die for USA. USA government would rather actually stop for an American citizen to suffer. Nigeria government every day turns their back on their citizens in Malaysia, in Singapore, and Indonesia, even Dubai, to suffer till they die, to suffer to suffocation. Nigerian ambassadors all over the world, they are mutakwa, they are poor cartons. They don't even know that Nigerians exist in that country. All they know is their pocket, their wife, their children, their salary, their pocket, their wife, their children. They are not doing the work that is supposed to be done as a diplomat from Nigeria. What you should do in Australia is to make sure that Nigerians living in Australia are living well. But Nigerians living in Australia, each and every time they get problem in Australia, Nigerian ambassador to Australia only turn his back on them. Yes. Nah, this one no be for me. Oh. I don't know the wahala where these people carry come again. Oh. He is talking to his wife. When he closes at every embassy, Nigerian embassy in abroad, they will come back, grab their wife, telling them that Nigerians living in America, in that country, are his problem. I don't die of hypertension. Why Nigerians not gonna allow me to enjoy the benefit of being ambassador to this country? Why? Why? Before you know it, you will run mad. You don't run mad. Nigerians are not benefiting anything from Nigeria. Nigerians are paying tax, pay this, pay that, pay tax, pay. Immediately the day breaks, we wake up early in the morning. Good morning, oh, good morning. The next thing is pay to Nigeria, pay to ATM, pay to that transaction you did now. Pay. You made a call to MTN. Pay. The worst country in the world, and they are trying to tell me that somebody like me will remain silent. No, I will never remain silent. I will still be the voice that speaks for the common, for the layman, for Nigerians. justify my speech, crucify my words where I lag behind against honesty. Nigeria is heading to what? Rock.
Okay, and lastly, we've seen the Nigerian Delta youth, the Joy youth have come and said Wike should be ready to contend with the youth if his plan is to go forward as, by dropping Fubara as the next governor of Rivers State. And again, he has come and said that
That's what is expected of the youth. That is what is expected of Opobo youth, Ijo youth, Igbo youth, Atikwere Igbocha. That is what is expected of them. They shouldn't be sleeping this wicked week. Come and remove the sugar that God has put in their mouth. We shouldn't be waiting for God all the time. Oh, Ijo youth, oh yeah, I am stirring you up. My name is Raf from Anambra. Stand up and fight for your right. Get up, stand up. Come and fight for your right. Stand up and fight for your right. Get up, stand up, as Mali, the legend, said it. He commanded you to stand up, and it is the time you should respond positively to the prophet, Bob Marley. Wike has virtually destroyed everywhere in Rivers State, and he has now prevailed on the sitting governor of Rivers State, Fubara. And you youths, you think you will be sleeping. If you sleep, Wike will remove the sugar, the meat that God used Fubara to feed you with. He will remove it from your mouth. Wike is a heartless man. He doesn't respect humanity at all. What he enjoys is what? Authoritativeness. Ochichinchibu. What he enjoys is what? Aristocracy. Autocracy. What he enjoys is what? Injustice of the highest order. Inequality. Engrossed one. Gross inequality against the common man. That is what we can want. Dictatorship. Hypocrisy. That is what we can want.
But should Tinubu not interfere because
Injustice of the highest order, subjugation and over marginalization. That is what we can want. Wike does not enjoy a peaceful atmosphere whereby everybody will be at peace. That is what Wike doesn't want. For everybody to be at peace, praise God, thank God, go work, come back. Wike does not want it. For you, Anijo youth, you, Opobo youth, you, Ikwere youth, you, Kalabari youth, Nembe youth, to enjoy yourself in River State, Wike will not be happy. Stand up, get up. Stand up, you are right. Fight for your right. Failure to do so, Wike will come out sleep from your eyes and sleep for you.
So, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, here we are at the final threshold where the enemies must submit. The enemies of our Prime Minister and enemies of Biafra must submit. A lady who evidently consciously told you, not by mistake, that we wanted to use Mazin Namdekan working with Nigeria. Yes, I am here with excitement and joy. I am vam. By the grace of Chukwuka Biama Primi Heli Rafael Chamaka Ajere, Deputy Minister of Communications, Information and Media, Biafra Republic Government in Exile. I greet you all and I bring you good tidings. Good tidings because my PM, who I am his armor bearer, is doing well. Ngozi is not doing well. Ezobika, Nkechi Blessing Ezobika is not doing well. And I thank God for the message that PM Obatobie Gaga Nogu Eleka Haseti Obatobie that I forgotten the way she hails him. Anyway, Gaga Nogu Ogede Hey, no matter the pressure they put on you, the lady, let me call you the lady. Let me call you the lady. No matter the pressure they put on you, do not play that voice for them. Oh, don't play it for them. Don't play it. You had a message from the PM. He didn't give me that message. He didn't play that message for us. But we believe. Good, well done, my sister. How are my kids? Thank you. But I believe that you got that message. I know you got that message. And that message is authentic. And because you know it's authentic, that's why you stand gidigam, gidigam. And do you see now that the lines are falling in pleasant places for Biafra? Now, because the Anioma we hear more, and this just smelling woman, that thing, stinky, rubbish, psychiatric, imbe, hey, Ngozi, look at how useless you turned yourself into. You become a disgrace, a shame, a pathetic psychiatrist. Hey! What a shame. What a disgrace. Oh my God. Anyway, I thank you, fellow Biafrans that are standing on, and those of you that have resolved never to waver. Do not waver. Do not waver. PM Simon Ekpa is the finisher. There won't be another one. He's the finisher. So stand firm where you are. Yes, I know I have been angry because I was called names. They lied on me. Adadi Rama lied on me, lied on my family. Rami Jews lied on me, lied on my family. But right now, I have shared my sword. Rami Jews, Mamu de no bo. Yes. Ada, Mamu de no bo. Yes. I will not join them to wage war against you. But when the time comes for you to say the truth of all the things you said about us, you will obviously do the right thing. But for now, hit them hard. Stand very, very firm. Have you guys seen what Remiju said? That Ngozi or Abu Fulani, with the money she takes from Biafrans, buys weapons for Ebubago and instruct Ebubago that they should not go after Fulani herdsmen. Are these things now making sense to you? The praise and worship of Muhammad, peace be upon his soul. The Uthman Danfodio legacy that Ngozi brought to Biafra land. Ngozi brought Uthman Danfodio legacy into Biafra struggle. Ngozi to Fiakwa. I spit on your face. I spit on your face. And I got personally ligi. A bag of ligi Ngozi. What aid? That is a Ngozi, you are gone. You are finished. Now you use Biafra money to buy gun for a Bubago, and you instruct them, do not go after Fulani herdsmen. Who are they going to go after? If they do not go after Fulani herdsmen, who are they going to go after? Ngozi? Who would they go after? You see your life? You see how you are finished and disgraced. So, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, here we are at the final threshold where the enemies must submit. The enemies of our Prime Minister and enemies of Biafra must submit. A lady who who evidently consciously told you, not by mistake, that we wanted to use Mazin Namdekan working with Nigeria to disrupt the declaration. A lady that never wanted declaration of Biafra, a lady that never posted about the declaration of Biafra, a lady that never shared anything about the declaration of Biafra, a lady that never posted anything about Mazin Namdekan. Are you telling me that it is by accident or by mistake that Ngozi did not care about what happened at the court case of Mazin Namdekan? But all of you, Ngozi. Now you see the narrative they are now sharing. What they are now posting is that they do no longer need our prime minister. Free man equal to onye, Amo to onye, Amumiri, shameless idiot. Free man, they ask the free man a question. I say, okay, what if a PM come now and say you should fall back? What will you do? He said, is the only PM that is fighting for Biafra. If he does not give me a good reason to fall back, I will tell him, PM, you are not the only one. Nnamdi Kanu have tried. Ojukwu tried. Wazirike tried. Simon Ekpa tried. He failed. Now we will try somebody else. That is what Iko Tuonye told is it Kia TV? All those agents that Ngozi just raised up. People who didn't know before from anywhere. Even Ugo 247, he heard what Ugo said, that he doesn't care about Master Simon Ekpa anymore. That if Master Simon Ekpa asks him to fall back, that he will refuse. Now you can also see that our generals have told you that Ngozi can never be any deputy prime minister. General Gentu the Yahoo. You heard the video. So put 1 and 2 together and see where our prime minister stands. Soaring higher and higher. You can never betray me and succeed. It is still ringing a bell. Bagam, bagam, bagam. You can never betray me and succeed. Bagam, bagam, bagam. You can never betray me and succeed. Bagam, bagam, bagam. Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom, I just don't want it to exceed 10 minutes, but I'm going to leave it here. Maybe when we have time again to do recording, we'll bring the video of refugees, play it, and then we'll get some of your opinions. But before then, remain firm, resolute, unshakable, unmovable until we get there. Ngozi must be disgraced. No, Ngozi will not only be stopped, she must be disgraced out of Biafra. And everything about Ngozi, her brother, her patriotic United Party of Nigeria, disgraced out of Biafra land. And Biafra will stand airborne to the Biafra Liberation Army, airborne to Uzor, airborne to Commander Gentu the Yahoo, airborne to Commander Holy Ghost, airborne to Biafra Defense Forces, airborne to Biafra Republic Government in exile, airborne to all our men, our leaders, our APM, our CROC chairman, Professor Chioma, our own Mazi Elias Zirasolis, our Aman Dabiri, airborne to Biafra. We move.